Hi, Erica here with Crafts Direct, and today I want to share with you this fun succulent arrangement. It's so pretty, has lots of different succulents and greenery in it, and it also lights up. So it has light weaved around these hoops. The light set comes with a remote with 8 different settings, and it is so fun to watch it twinkle. So you can do all kinds of different settings on it. I think it looks so pretty on the shelf or on as a centerpiece. So let me show you how we made this project.
To start out, you're going to take your 2 7-inch embroidery hoops and separate all the pieces. You're going to get rid of one of the pieces that has the connector on the top, and then you are going to arrange your wooden pieces into a sphere and then hot glue it in place. Next up, you're going to grab your floral foam and cut it to be 4 inches by 3 inches and about 1.5 inches thick, and then cut off those edges so it fits nicely inside your sphere. Then we are going to take our light strand and we are going to weave it around the embroidery hoops. So we're going to go around each piece of wood on the hoops, loop it around the back of the hoop so it stays in place, and then do it all the way around your entire sphere. You're going to focus on the bottom about halfway up, and you want it all covered in the lights. When you get to the end, just wrap that little end of wire around one of the pieces of wood. And then you can turn your lights on and see how pretty it is. Next, we're going to put some Spanish moss around that green floral foam just to disguise it. So we're going to hold it in with floral pins and get all of that covered so you can't see the green anymore. Once you've got the floral foam all covered, you are going to slide it into the inside of that sphere. So you might need to move some of the wires down, but you want to get it centered in place. Then we're going to take the green fern pick, separate all of the pieces, and place a piece of green fern in between each piece of the wood. Now we're going to take that reddish taller succulent and we are going to separate into a bunch of little pieces. We're going to keep one piece that has 2 to 3 little stems on it and place it in the center of our hoop. Then we are going to take our 2 succulents, so we have one that's green and one that has more of a purpley tint, and place those in the center of the hoop as well. And now we're just going to take all of our leftover pieces that we have left and fill in our arrangement. So you'll continue to add those red pieces and more green fern pieces until it looks full. Our last step, just to make sure that this stands up nicely, is to hot glue a wooden circle onto the bottom of our arrangement. So you'll put a big dab of hot glue, place your arrangement on top, and then you are ready to light it up and display it.
You can find all the supplies to make this project at craftsdirect.com and go to our projects page.